Hey, welcome back to Live Light, our channel that focuses on mindful living, all-natural lifestyle, and eco-friendly adventure.
This week's topic involves a challenge.
Yeah.
But first, let's talk about the benefits of a mindful morning routine and how to create one for yourself.
A mindful morning routine will look different for everyone, based on your own needs and preferences. However, in general, a mindful morning is one spent being deliberately present in the moment, free from distractions and in a joyful mental state. The idea behind mindful mornings is to put you in a prime state, to start your day with happiness, intention, and positive energy.
And beyond those feel-good benefits, studies also show that mindful morning routines are a key habit shared by the most highly successful people. So not only can it help you feel good and put you in a more productive mental state, a mindful morning routine can actually help you achieve your greatest ambitions and career goals.
Yeah. So some ideas for creating a mindful morning ritual for yourself could include a morning walk or run, journaling time, warm coffee or tea, playing with your pet, yoga, meditation, lighting a candle or incense, prayer, connecting with a loved one, affirmations, visualization, oracle cards, playing music, practicing gratitude, or my personal favorite, no cell phone for the first 30 minutes of your day.
You're probably thinking, I am way too busy for all that. But the truth is, the busier you are, the more you need a daily ritual to help keep you calm, focused, and in a productive mental state. And your ritual doesn't have to take all day. It can be as little as 10 to 30 minutes, as long as that time is used mindfully. Even Tony Robbins says, if you want to have a prime life, you have to be in a prime state.
Yeah. And this isn't just motivational speaker mumbo jumbo. There is real science about the benefits of these recommended activities. Studies show that the amygdala area of your brain that manages stress, fight or flight, depression, and addictive behaviors actually shrinks and becomes less active, while the hippocampus area of your brain, responsible for creativity and emotional intelligence and happiness, physically grows and becomes more active.
And if that's not enough, there are other scientifically proven benefits of mindfulness like improved focus and stress reduction, the regulation of emotions, cognitive flexibility, lower blood pressure, increased immune function, more energy, and the list goes on and on.
Okay. You've heard the benefits, and I bet you're ready to get started, right? So let's do it. Starting tomorrow, we invite you to join us on a 28-day Mindful Morning Challenge. We will be posting our progress and details about our own morning rituals on Facebook and Instagram daily. So be sure to catch up with us there. Links to our social channels will be in the description box below.
And finally, set yourself up for success by partnering with a friend or loved one in planning and executing your mindful morning routine. Sharing one of your morning activities or even just holding each other accountable by checking in once your morning ritual is complete will make a huge difference.
And remember, this 28-day Mindful Morning Challenge starts tomorrow. And it will end in 28 days, but not really end, because hopefully you will be inspired to continue the habit.
We'd love you to share your ideas for morning rituals in the comments below. And be sure to check in with us after 28 days to let us know how the Mindful Mornings Challenge made a difference in your life. If you found this video after our official challenge has begun, no worries. Just start the 28-day challenge on your own time, hopefully with a few accountability partners.
Yeah, so for more information on the benefits of mindful mornings, click on the links in the description box below.
And while you're there, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. And let us know if there's anything about the natural lifestyle or mindful living that you may want to know more about. We'll be basing future content on what you want to hear about most.
And don't forget to hit subscribe and stay tuned for next week's video, which will be about, well, you gotta stay tuned to find out. See you next week. And until then, be well and live light.